Hello widget watchers, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to build a clean UI using material components with proper input handling, and using these concepts, we are going to make a perfect tip calculator app in Android. So first come to this activity underscore main.xml file, and from here remove this constraint layout and here add the linear layout. Then inside this linear layout, here add the padding property and give the value as 24 dp so that all child have some spacing from the sides. Then here add the gravity and make the value this as center so that our child should be in center. Then here add the orientation and make its value as vertical. Now from here remove this text view, and here we need to use the material text input, right? So here add this text input layout. Please make sure this one thing, you don't need to add this text input edit text. Here you need to add this text input layout, so add that. Then for layout width, here add the match parent. Then for layout height, add the wrap content. Then for hint text, here add the text as bill amount, so this will be shown as the hint text in our text field. Okay, then now here we need to add the text input field. Now close this text input layout, and inside this text input layout, here we will use this text input edit text. So here mention text input edit text. Then here for layout width, add it match parent. Then for height, here add the wrap content. Then give a ID to this text field, and here add the ID as bill amount, or let's say here add the ID as et bill amount. Et means edit text. Okay, then here add the input type, and here make the input type as number decimal, because here amount can be in decimal. Okay, so that is why here I added the input type as number decimal. Then just copy this text input layout and add it one more time, and this time it will be get used for adding percentage. Okay, so here change the hint value to tip percentage, and then here also give some margin value from the top side and add the value as 16 dp. Then here change the ID and change it to tip percentage. It's perfectly fine. Now change the input type to number only, because we are not allowing user to add the percentage value in decimal. So here just add the number. Then here we need a button, so that when user will press onto that button, then we will calculate the tip amount. Okay, so now here add the material button. Then for layout width, add the match parent. For layout height, add the wrap content. Then for ID, here add the ID as button calculate. Okay, then here add the text property and give the text as calculate tip. Then here add the layout margin top and give the value as 24 dp. It's looking perfectly fine to me. Then here add the text view, and in this text view we will show the tip and the total bill amount. Okay, so here add the layout width as wrap content and layout height as wrap content. Then for ID, here give the ID as TV result, and then for text value, here default value should be 0. So here add the tip, and then here add the rupees value as 0. Then here add the text size and give the text size as 20 sp. Then add the text style, then give the text style as bold. Then add the margin top value and give the margin top as 24 dp. It's perfectly fine. Now come to this main activity.kt file, and here first get access to the button. So here add the binding, then button calculate, then here set the onClick listener method onto this button, and afterwards from here we will call this calculate tip method. Okay, so now just copy this method name, and then here create a private function and name it as calculate tip. Then inside this, here first we need to get the value whatever the bill value is. So here first we need the bill amount. So here create a variable as bill text, and then here get the access of bill amount, and then text, then toString. So this will return the bill amount whatever user has entered in the text field. Okay, then here we need to get the tip percentage. Okay, so here add the variable as tip text, and then binding dot tip percentage, then text toString. So this will return the tip percentage value entered by the user. Now here we need to add a condition that if bill text is empty, like user didn't enter any bill amount, right? Or if tip text is empty, like here we are forcing user to add any tip value, or you can ignore this condition. Like if tip text is empty, in that case you can mark this tip text value as 0, but here I'm just adding a check. Okay, so you can ignore it, no issue. Just make sure one thing, that if tip text is empty, then you need to assign value 0 to this tip text. Okay, and here get the access of TV result. Okay, like if the bill text is empty or tip text is empty, in that case we need to show a message to user that please enter a valid value. Okay, so here add that. Then if this condition is true, then return from here, because we don't want to calculate the other thing, right? So return from here. Then here add a new variable as bill amount. Then here get the bill text and then convert it to double. Okay, then here add the tip percentage value, and here add the tip text to double. Again, like we need to convert this tip text value to double. Then here add a condition. If bill amount is null, like user has entered some wrong value, right? Or tip percentage value is null, right? Because let's say user has entered value in string format, like something like ABCD. In that case, it cannot be converted to double. Then this bill amount will be marked as null. Okay, so that is why here we have added the condition of null, that bill amount or tip percentage value cannot be null, and this won't be null if user has entered correct decimal values or number value. Okay, if this condition is true, in that case we will show the user that invalid input. Okay, and again, if this condition is true, then return from here. Then here create a new variable as tip amount, because right now we will perform the mathematical operation that okay, user has entered perfect value, then bill amount multiplied by tip percentage divided by 100. Okay, so like bill amount is 100, right, and tip percentage is 10. Okay, then tip amount is going to be 100 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. Then this 10 divided by 100 will return 1 by 10, and if we divide 100 by 10, then result value is going to be 10. So our tip amount will be 10 rupees if bill was of 100 rupees and tip percentage is 10%. Okay, now here create a one more variable as total amount. Now we will add our bill amount to tip amount, which will return the total amount. Okay, now here we need to assign this value to text view result. Okay, so here add the binding dot text view result and then dot text, and now pay the most attention to this one line of code, because this one line will convert this text into a proper format. Let's say bill amount or tip amount is going infinite decimal, right? In that case we need to format it. So here add the tip, then colon, then rupees sign, then here add the percentile 0.2f. Okay, which means it will only add the two floating value after the decimal. Okay, then do the same thing for the total. So here add the total, rupees sign, percentile 0.2f. Then we will format it with the tip amount and total amount. Okay, so this tip amount will be filled here and this total amount will be filled here. Now that's it for the coding part. Now if you save the code and run the application, then app is installing, open the build view so that if there is some error, then we can check. Okay, there is no error and our app is installed successfully. Okay, so here let's add the bill amount as 1000 rupees and add the tip as 12%, or let's say we are generous, we added the tip as 15%. Okay, now if you tap onto this calculate tip button, then you can see our tip value is 150, which is correct. Like 15% of 1000 is 150 and total is 1150, which is 1000 plus 150. Okay, so that's it for this video.